So good morning to all. This is Anvesh and uh, from AAA branch, and today my topic is about the injection sortings. So firstly, what is meant by the insertion sort? Is a sorting algorithm that works similar to the way you sort playing cards or hands. The array is virtually split into sorted and unsorted part values from the unsorted part and picked and placed at the correct position in the sorted part. So this is the insertion part. So this is about the definition of the insertion sort. So basically, the characteristics of an insertion sort is the algorithm is one of the simplest algorithm with the simple implementations. So the basically insertion sort is efficient for small data values. So next, the insertion sort is adaptive in nature, and that is appropriate for the data sets which are already partially sorted. So these are the partially sorted ones. So these are the characteristics of insertion sort. So is the characteristics of an insertion sort. So for this, the basically the time complexity and the space complexity. So the time complexity of the insertion sort is in the best way order of n. The worst case order of n squared, and the average in the average complexity it is order of n squared. The space complexity is order of 1. The stability is yes, so it may be stability. It may be stable. Yes, yes, it's. I think it's gonna have. So this is the space complexity and the time complexity and the stability factor of the insertion sortings. So the applications of insertion sort. The insertion sort is used when the array has a small number of elements. There are only a few elements left to be sorted. Yes. So the basically it is the algorithms. I mean, it is an algorithm the way the insertion sort is available. So I mean it is not an algorithm. So it is an it's a code. Def insertion sort. First step, the step in the range one comma len array. The key equal to array step. J equal to step minus one. While j is uh, greater than or equal to 0, and the key is less than array j, array of j plus 1 equal to array of j, and then j equal to j minus 1, array of j plus 1 equal to k. Data 4 comma 3 comma 2 comma 10 comma 12 comma 1. So it is so basically the example. So first of all the insertion sort is the insertion sort will be done when the when they are in uh, and when they are in an order. So as you see in this first line, 4 3 2 10 12 1 5 6, these are in an order. So first of all the step what the step is going to be. So first you need to compare the zeroth the zero in this index. As we take this index, So the 0th index and the one index. So we have to check it, check this. If 0th index is less than is greater than the first index, so then we have to shift those ones. So after then we have then 3 becomes the first place, I mean 3 becomes the 0th place, and the 4 becomes the one, the index one. Then after that, then comparing, uh, after then comparing to 2 and 3. So then comparing 2 and 3, so as 2 is smaller than 3, so then shift their places, and then compare 3 and 10. And as 3 is less than 10, so it will be remain same. Then compared to 10 and 12, so 10 is 12, so 10 is less than 12, so there are not to be shifted. And then compare 12 and 1, so as you see, the 12 and 1, the 1 is less than the 12, so we have to shift those places, the shift those places. In comparing with the 12 and 5, 12 and 5, so 12, so 5 is less than 12, so shift those places shift those places. And then 12 and 6, and 6 is smaller than 12, so then shift those places. Like this here will complete a pass one. So like this so like this, how many passes it can be take, so those many passes you have to do. So as of now, I think it may take, I mean, maybe 7 or 8 passes. So like that, after these things, we'll get a ordered we'll get a ordered one. We'll get a ordered sequence. So it is ordered sequence. So we'll get ordered sequence. So we'll get an ordered sequence. So this is the example of insertion sort. So like this, we'll be doing this insertion sort. So like this, we will do the insertion sort. So thank you for giving this as a So like this, we will do the insertion sort. So like this, we will do the insertion sorting examples. So this is the way we do. So this is the way we do the insertion sort. So as many passes you will be done, then the sequence of then the list will become the ordered one. So this is the way we do.